Hello friends, welcome to this first of mine video. It's my first video and it is an unboxing of a Timestar watch. Now this here is a very old Timestar watch. It belonged to my grandfather, in fact. As you can see it, 17 joules shockproof. Till recently this watch was sitting in my cabinet and it was pretty much useless, and I took it out and buffed it. As you can see, it's pretty well done and she's working not so correctly. In fact, her balance wing needs some repair, because of which she continuously stops. If you keep it like this, the watch won't stop, but if I move around and then it gets stopped. Now I'm a new watch collector and I have started this hobby of mine, and this watch here really started things off for me. So it had a metal bracelet, but I changed it. As you can see, I got a new leather strap for this watch. Here it says genuine leather. In fact, it's pretty costly, 300 rupees to be in fact, and it's from Timestar, if you can see it here. So after this I was looking for a nice Timestar watch. As you can see, look, it has stopped in fact now, and I was uh, looking for a good Timestar watch, and I found one on eBay. So here it is. It just got delivered from, well, okay, so this is it here. I got it from eBay. uh, Won it in fact in an auction, and well, let's just open it up and see how the watch really is. I'm going to put a picture over here, and let's just hope that this watch is going to be just like that, what this picture here is going to be like. Shall we open it up? Okay then. Alright then, here's the box that came in this thing, and there was a lot of bubble wrapping, pretty well wrapped, and good case, this some paperwork, and here's the real thing, the watch. Now it was wrapped in bubble wrapping, so pretty well protected. I'll take this plastic bag off and show you what the real watch is like. Nice metal band, and the first thing, this is pretty lightweight. I thought it would be heavy because of the metal band, but no, it is not. And I think this metal band may not fit me because it looks a little small to me, the size, but let us see. It's working. Yes, you can see the minute hand going. Very nice smooth sweep of the minute second hand, I'm sorry. Looks good. There is a minor defect, if you can see, one, what you can call it, small piece of ball. The 3R position is missing, but I knew that, so it's not a big deal. I had seen it before buying, so it's okay. At the back side, I can't see what it is written over there. Yes, Timestar. Some kind of a label. So now this is the real product, and well, I have to say it's pretty good. It looks absolutely fine. No scratches on the glass, and it looks almost like a new watch. And I'm sure this would be at least 30 years old. It, let us stop now. Let us try and wind it now, shall we? Okay, so I have wound the watch, and I'm gonna set the time now. uh, I have no idea what's the time right now. Just a sec. Let us see what's the time. Okay, okay, I'll set it to 2. That what this watch is saying when it stopped. So let's just set it at 2 o'clock position. It's a very firm hand. The movement is very upright, tight. So let's set it at 2. There it is. So it's working, and I really love this military style R that is on the outside of the ring, and it's working fine. Here it is said India made. So yeah, let's try to open it and see what's inside, shall we? All right, so I have opened the watch, and let me show you how it is from the inside. Sorry, I do not have proper tools to remove the metal case, sorry, the metal band. So here it is. Let us try to see what exactly does it say over here. Can't see it properly, just a sec. Alright, so it says Timestar 17 joules, and the mechanism remarkably is almost like a new one. Now, maybe this is buffed, maybe the watch, I don't know, maybe it's a new watch but never got sold or something like that, but it almost feels like it's new, and this is too good, to be honest. I'll try to show you or give you a sound of how it is. Just a sec. I just hope you are able to listen. To me, the sound is like music. It's awesome. And let's just put it back on. So, thanks for being with me on this unboxing. It's been it's been great. The watch, I really loved it. I'm gonna wear it every day, and hopefully this thing lasts like 30-40 years, and I can pass it on to the next generation. Hopefully, piece of history over here. Until next time, until I find another piece of history. It's bye.